Happy Christmas Eve. It is the 24th of December and you are watching John at JWH Millinery, and this is our Christmas countdown with JWH Millinery, and I'm very excited to see what is inside this box. So we have day 24 and it feels like fabric. It sounds like fabric, not feels like fabric. So let's see what is inside. And for once, I actually, this is wrapped the correct way. Oh, it is. And it's, it's a lot of fabric. Oh dear. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a mesh. Like, it reminds me of Tangle Tough Cinema. Does that make sense? Can you see that a bit better? That's a lot of fabric. Would it? How do I look? Festive? Do I look bridal? This isn't suitable for bridal though. I'm not actually sure. I will try and find out what this is, where it's from, and link it in the description box below. I think, honestly, this is a remnant, so but I'll see if I can find something similar, so if you did want to purchase something like this, you can actually purchase it. But to be fair, I don't actually know what I would use this for, but you know, there's always a dud in one calendar, and I think this calendar's dud. He did a good job though, bless him. This is not disrespecting him or his abilities, but he doesn't know. He doesn't know fabric and millinery and everything. So it's Christmas Eve. Now most people will be on holiday. I sadly actually have to go to work. Today it is, yeah, it's Christmas Eve is a weird day because, especially in retail, I used to work for Petershams and we would have to put sale out, and I often wouldn't leave until 11 o'clock on 11 o'clock in the evening, and you'd have people banging on the door like, let me in. I'm like, I can't let you in, I've taken my tills off, I've got to put my sale out. They're like, you've ruined my Christmas. I'm like, no, your Christmas was ruined because you didn't buy wrapping paper like 2 weeks ago. But Christmas at the moment seems to be good. Like, we don't do sales, so I don't have that to worry about. I think we'll be closing about 7, so I'll be home by 8. So yeah, it's going to be a good day today, and there'll be lots of men running around buying everything that they could possibly find because they haven't done any Christmas shopping. It's standard. I see it every single year. So next year, gentlemen, for those gentlemen that watch this channel, get your Christmas presents early. So, question of the day for today is, what are your New Year's resolutions? Well, I don't really believe in New Year's resolutions because they don't seem to work. Like, oh yeah, I'll join a gym, I'll get fit. And I've said that many years. It never works. I don't really believe in them, but what I would like to do, my New Year's resolutions for this channel, is I want to do a lot more in terms of things like this. I want to do interviews, I want to do product reviews, I want to do supplier reviews. I want to just branch out and do things that are a bit more than just here's how to make a hat. the industry, you know, there's a lot of sides to this industry. There's suppliers, there's milliners. I'd love to do interviews with people, just like sit down. So, but I also want to hear from you guys. I want to hear what you guys want to see. So if you have any ideas of things that you want to see, or any ideas for series or whatever, leave them in the comments below. I do read and I do respond to all comments. So yeah, that's I would say that would be my New Year's resolution, is to figure out what, like, push this channel in the direction that I want it to go. So before I go to work, make sure you hit that like button, drop me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and if you have subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We are uploading every single day up to tomorrow at 8 AM, including tomorrow as well. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and we're gonna have a busy day. Hopefully you won't have as busy a day as I do, and I will see you tomorrow when we're opening the last of our advent calendar and the last day of this Christmas countdown. Until tomorrow, see you then. Bye.